In this video, I would like to talk with you about SonarTool.com. SonarTool is an Amazon keyword research tool, and it is completely for free. You can download it as a Chrome plugin, but also what you can do is just simply use the online version. Now, if you are from the US or the English-speaking world, then of course use Sonar-Tool.com. If you are like me from Germany, then use this link provided up here. Now, what we want to do is we want to give our tag in here. We want to write down a certain item, something that we want to check for. So for instance, if I want to know how many people are interested in buying yoga mats, I'm going to write yoga mats, and then I'm going to click on ping, and then there we go. Here is a little bit of things going on, not too much, not too much, not too much. So I'm going to change that perhaps to yoga mat. And now what we're going to see, okay, many people are looking for yoga mat. As you can see here, this is a search volume from 1 to 5. If you can see 5, then a lot of traffic is in the field of yoga mats. If you can see less than 5, then of course it always means that there is not that much traffic going on. So you can scroll down, you can see, all right, the ones marked in green are actually the ones that I could go for, that actually make sense to, you know, invest time and effort and perhaps even money in, but the rest not really in most cases. So what we can also do is we can just simply change the term up here. We can also, for instance, say, okay, we want to look for, let's say, socks. And we're clicking on socks, and as you can see, then up here again, there is a lot of traffic for all of these different kinds of socks. And as you can see, it is quite a lot. So all of them right there might actually be worth getting into. So for instance, black socks, compression socks, men's socks, Nike socks, yoga socks, socks in general, women's socks, girl socks, and so on and so on. So all of these are terms that people might be interested in or are basically interested in right now, because this tool is measuring how many people are actually looking for certain terms. So many people are looking for black socks. Many people are looking for compression socks. Now let's go with another one. Let's say we go for something that is a little bit more niche-y. Let's say we go for an online course. So online courses perhaps, and you can see on Amazon there's not too much going on about online courses. So perhaps it does make too much of, well, a difference for you if you sell your courses on Amazon, because most of the time, you know, you will probably not make that much money. And if you now say, okay, we're looking for math books, then it will probably show that there is some traffic, yes, for Danica McKillah math books. Like I've no idea who this person is, or I don't know the author, but as it seems, many people are looking for this kind of book. And this gives us amazing information that we don't know about yet. I've never heard of that person, to be honest, because probably we in Germany don't use their books or her books. But now you know, okay, people from, for instance, the US are looking for these kind of books. So I can only give you the advice, try this tool out. It is completely for free, called Sonar-Tool.com. Again, you can just click on it. You can also download it. Right now it is in German, but it says download. And you can download all of the results. Of course, there's, again, also an option that you pay some money. But most of the time, you know, I think this already gives you a quite good impression. There are many Amazon keyword search tools online that cost money, which I think actually worth the money. But, and this is again, you know, a big point that I'm always trying to make, often what you just simply need to think about is the execution process. So how do you market your product? It's not always about just the organic traffic on Amazon. It is also about, you know, finding just simply products that are easily to market. So for instance, I cannot market perhaps a online course on Amazon, but I can market other products which are on Amazon, which perhaps don't have such an amazing organic reach, but when people are actually seeing it, they say, oh well, I need that, and then they know, okay, I can buy it on Amazon. That is a platform I trust, and that's why I'm going to buy from it. But anyway, that was it now for this video. This was actually a quite short video. If you have any more questions, you can message me at any given time. But for now, I just want to thank you so much for being in this course, and I hope I can see you in the next video.